Hi everyone, it's me, Rudy, and I'm here with a very short update to tell you about a lecture that I'm very excited about that'll be taking place this Saturday, December 12th at noon Pacific. This time it's Daniel McCarthy. Now, some of you may not be familiar with his work, but I'm telling you, he is incredibly talented. I became a fan of his by reading some of the items of his that Harry published in his Apocalypse magazine. In fact, two of these effects I taught in my Apocalypse Now series that is on Real Magic Magazine. If you're not a subscriber, I would encourage you to do so. One of those effects is called Discards and Draws. It's a fantastic gambling demonstration. The other effect that I taught is called Now It's My Problem. Both of these items are fantastic. Now, whenever possible, I try to find the original creators of the effects published in Apocalypse magazine to teach them in my Apocalypse Now series. Well, Daniel McCarthy, I didn't realize this, is a very hard to find guy. He's kind of an underground guy. Well, fortunately for you and for me, I was able to locate him, and he is going to be doing a lecture for us. You got to see some of his work on this multiple lift, a very little known method taught by Ed Marlowe. I think you're going to be amazed. It's not just a double lift, it's a triple, it's a quadruple, it's a lift of 5 cards. And the way he does it, it's just fantastic. You have to see it to believe it. It's incredible, and he's going to be teaching it to us along with several items from his Magic Castle act. We are in for a treat. I hope that you'll join us. It's only going to be $7. The tickets are available at basicsofmagic.com. $7, and that includes a video recording of the event so that you won't miss anything. Even if you can't be there, purchase a ticket, you'll get the video anyway. I hope you're excited. I hope that you'll join me and tell your friends, please. All right, I'll see you then.